Acid rain, as the name suggests, can be said as the precipitation of acid in the form of rain in the simplest manner. When atmospheric pollutants like oxides of nitrogen and sulfur react with rainwater and come down with the rain, then this results in acid rain. Who invented this word, according to the Royal Society of Chemistry, which considers him the father of acid rain? The word acid rain was invented in 1852 by Scottish chemist Robert Angus Smith. Smith decided on the word while studying rainwater chemistry near industrial towns in England and Scotland. Causes: acid rain is made up of highly acidic water droplets due to air emissions, most specifically the disproportionate levels of sulfur and nitrogen emitted by vehicles and manufacturing processes. It is often called acid rain as this concept contains many types of acidic precipitation. The acidic deposition takes place in two ways, wet and dry. Wet deposition is any form of precipitation which removes acids from the atmosphere and places them on the surface of the earth. In the absence of precipitation, dry deposition of polluting particles and gases sticks to the ground through dust and smoke. Process of making of acid rain. The causes of acid rain are sulfur and nitrogen particles which get mixed with the wet components of rain. Sulfur and nitrogen particles which get mixed with water are found in two ways, either man-made, i.e. as the emissions that are given out from industries, or by natural causes like lightning strike in the atmosphere releasing nitrogen oxides and volcanic eruptions releasing sulfur oxide. The regular clean rain we experience, even though it is not clean, water and carbon dioxide react together to form weak carbonic acid, which essentially by itself is not extremely harmful. The reaction occurring is the pH value of regular rainwater is around 5.7, giving it an acidic nature. The oxides of nitrogen and sulfur are blown away by the wind along with the dust particles. They settle on the Earth's surface after coming down in the form of precipitation. Acid rain is essentially a byproduct of human activities which emit oxides of nitrogen and sulfur in the atmosphere. Example is the burning of fossil fuels, unethical waste emission disposal techniques. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide undergo oxidation, and then they react with water, resulting in the formation of sulfuric acid and nitric acid, respectively. The following reaction will clarify the acid formation reaction. Real-life examples. Taj Mahal in India, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is generally impacted by corrosive downpour. The city of Agra has numerous industries which releases the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen in the air. People continue to use low-quality coal and firewood as a domestic fuel, adding to this issue. Acid rain has the following reactions with the marble calcium carbonate. The arrangement of calcium sulfate brings about the consumption of this wonderful landmark. Statue of Liberty in United States, which is made of copper, has also been harmed by the cumulative action of acid rain and oxidation for over 30 years and is consequently becoming green. Effects: it causes respiratory issues in creatures and humans. When acid rain falls down and flows into the gutters and ponds, it affects the submarine ecosystem. It alters the chemical composition of the water to a form which is actually dangerous to the submarine ecosystem to survive and causes water pollution. Acid rain also causes the erosion of water pipes, which further results in filtering of heavy essence similar as iron, lead and bobby into drinking water. Acid rain adversely affects agriculture, plants, and animals by depleting soil nutrients and causing respiratory issues. Additionally, it damages structures, including buildings and monuments, by leaching heavy metals like iron, lead, and copper. Global distribution. Acid rain is not confined to the regions where pollutants are emitted. Prevailing winds can carry pollutants long distances, resulting in acid rain in areas far from pollution sources. Prevention of acid rain. The only precaution that we can take against acid rain is having a check at the emission of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. Acid rain is harmful to animals, plants, and the monuments. Being responsible citizens, one should be aware of the harmful effects they cause and of the industries which give out nitrogen and sulfur compound wastes unethically.